Ever read a tech email and actually understood it? That's not luck. It's communications and training. They're the brains behind the knowledge base. UNCG's digital brain for tech how-tos, guides, and answers. It's like Google, but with fewer rabbit holes and more real solutions. Need to learn Microsoft 365 or get more comfortable talking with AI without crying? They've got one-on-one sessions and workshops that flip "I'm lost" into "I got this." Ready to level up? They'll point you to resources like LinkedIn Learning because training isn't just a one-time thing, it's a growth mindset. But here's their real magic. They translate tech jargon into plain English, acronyms into actual meaning, and updates into something you'll actually read. They're also the voice behind ITS communications. If it's in your inbox, on your screen, or in your training session, it probably came from them. When software changes, new tools arrive, or better ways to work roll out, they make sure you know what's coming and how to handle it. They collaborate across departments, support faculty and staff, and make sure the tech side of campus runs smoother than your morning coffee. They make the tech make sense. And if you want to go from getting by to getting ahead, book a training session.